Hello friends, welcome to Rajavalli Education Channel. Here we are going to see Bohr's model for hydrogen atom or Bohr's model for one electron system. Bohr was proposed that electron can move around the nucleus in a circular path with fixed energy and fixed radius. This circular path is called orbits or stationary state or energy state. And he was proposed that there are number of orbits or exist. These orbits are arranged concentrically around the nucleus. It is one electron system, so the energy of the electron cannot change with the time, but it can absorb energy or a certain frequency of radiation can move from ground state to excited state, that is for n is equal to 1 to for n is equal to 2. In an excited state, the electron is not stable, so it can jump from higher energy state to lower energy state. During this transition, energy is emitted from the atom. Bohr was also proposed that calculation of frequency of radiation when atom is absorb the radiation or emission of the radiation, and the formula is delta E is equal to h nu. Delta E is equal to E2 minus E1, where E1 is the energy in initial state, E2 is the energy in final state. So E2 minus E1 by h is equal to nu. If we know the energy of the final and initial state and Planck's constant, we can calculate the frequency of the radiation of energy which is absorbed or emitted by the atom or from the atom respectively. And Bohr also proposed that the angular momentum of the electron is quantized. That is, angular momentum formula is mvr. mvr is equal to h by 2 pi. That is n number of h by 2 pi. Or integral multiple of h by 2 pi. Bohr was given the number to orbits. These numbers are known as principal quantum number. And he was also calculate the radius of the orbits using the formula Rn is equal to n square into A0. For hydrogen atom, A0 equal to 52.9 picometer. This is also known as Bohr orbit. And he was calculated the energy of the stationary state, that is En is equal to minus RH into 1 by n square. Here RH is the Rydberg constant. Its value is 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 18 joules. Bohr was also proposed that when an electron is free from the nucleus, the energy of an electron is equal to 0. That is, the principal quantum number value is equal to infinity. In that state, we can say the hydrogen atom is an ionized form. Bohr was first derived the formula of an energy and the radius for an one electron system, that is for a hydrogen atom. After that, he made the formula for an one electron system for other atoms like helium plus, lithium 2 plus, beryllium 3 plus, etc. The formula is En is equal to minus RH into Z square divided by N square. And Rn is equal to n square into A0 by Z, where Z is the atomic number. Bohr was also explained the velocity of electrons, that is calculation of velocity of electrons. The precise value is not possible for a moving object. So he explained the magnitude of approximate value of velocities of electrons. If the number of protons on the nucleus increases, the velocity of the electrons increases. If the number of principal quantum number increases, the velocity of the electron decreases. These are the postulates of Bohr's model for hydrogen atom. I hope you understand the concept very well. Thank you so much.